Good day, sir. I'm Trixie Rosata from BSIT Block E. I'm here to demonstrate or present the 30% prototyping on my e-commerce final activity. First, sir, is the dashboard seller. Gumamit po ako ng web page dito sa my dashboard. Sa my dashboard po is naglalaman siya ng mga key metrics ni seller. Ito po yung admin page, which is yung first page po is dashboard. Meron po siyang navigation button na orders, products, customer report, setting, and admin. Ang nilalaman po ng dashboard is key metrics, which is yung nakita mo sa online shop mo, and then orders, revenue, then yung inventory summaries po, and yung sales trend. After the dashboard is meron ka pong order page or order management, which is nilalaman po niya is yung mga products na na-order ng customers, then yung customer name, status, kung ship, pending, or delivered na ba, and then yung date. Then next is the products. Makikita mo po yung products ay sa product management is yung mga products na binebenta mo, and meron po siyang mga categories, then prices, status, then actions na pwede kang mag-edit or delete. And then after that, meron ka pong add product, which is dito po, bilang seller, pwede kang mag-add ng product na gusto mong i-add sa pwede mong itinda. And then next is the customers, which is nakikita po yung search bar customers, then yung customers na nag-order sa online shop mo, then location kung saan sila, and then yung orders nila, and then yung total amount. next po is yung customer details, which is kunyari po si Samantha Smith is nag-order siya ng isang order, and then yung amount ng na-spent niya is 450. Then customer ko siya since October 12, 2025. Then yung ito po, last order placed. Then yung timeline, pwede kang mag-comment or magbigay ng comment or feedback sa kanya, and then yung customer information. Nandito na rin po kung saan mo siya ipapadeliver. Next po is the customer page. Meron po tayong 10 pages, which is the home page, product listing, product details, cart, checkout, user profile tracking, order tracking, wish list, customer support, then result. First is the home page. Then next, sir, is the is the customer's page. Una po is yung homepage. Sa homepage mo, makikita mo yung search bars. Page po ng customer is may video ads na makikita dito, then search bars, cards, messages, then yung home. Navigation po niya is product list, notification, then sa may customer admin. Then next po is the categories. Dito po yung mga products. Then yung mga products na pwede kang mag-buy, and yung mga ratings, then kung ilan po yung bumili, and yung discounts. Una po sa search bar is makikita mo yung mga related searches. Kunya nag-search ka ng white shoes, and then makikita mo po yung related searches dito sa baba. Then suggested searches na dito na rin po sa baba. Then next is the cart. Shopping cart, meron po tayong 8 shopping carts na na-add to cart, and then makikita po yung mga na-add to carts dito ng customers or na-add to cart mo. Then pwede kang maglagay dito ng voucher or codes for the voucher. Then mag-click ka lang ng isa dyan, and then check out. Then sa checkout po is andun na yung address ni customer, yung product na binili niya, and ilan yung quantity niya, and yung size, yung price. Tapos pwede po ikaw as a customer mag-leave ng message kung anong gusto mong message kay seller. Shipping option, pwede ka pong pumili ng shipping option mo. Then total items, payment is cash on delivery, then ito po yung total. Shipping subtotal 60 pesos. Then total, yung total na binili ni customer is 249. Then next po is, kunyari pumindot ka ng item na isa, which is shoes. Then makikita mo dyan. Ito yung mga variants ng shoes. Then yung price, discount, solds. Then ito po yung wishlist. And then makikita mo yung ratings and kung ilan yung bumili, ano, and yung description po ng shop. Eto, add to cart, mapupunta po ulit sa shopping cart, then back, then buy now, pupunta po siya sa shopping cart, then back ulit. Sa may search bar, pupunta po ulit siya sa may search bar result, then cart, pupunta ulit doon. Next is product purchased mo, then yung address mo, yung na mga nabili mo. Ito po yung status kung completed, to receive, or to ship. My wishlist, ito po yung kanina na pinindot mo na cart, dito po mapupunta. Pwede mo po siyang i-add all to cart and delete. Yan. Next po is yung customer support. Andito po yung pwedeng magtanong sa shop or yung mga questions, FAQs, questions, then ticket tracking, then pwede mo pong contact yung seller through message, call, email. Yan. Tapos ito po yung product detailed or yung pag in-order mo is tracking, order tracking. Kunyari po nag-order ka ng shoes and makikita mo po out of deliver na siya. So, parcel is out for delivery. Nasa rider na siya.